Whether you are looking for something that will make you some extra money on the side, or if you want to take this full time and finally quit your job, in today's video, I'm about to show you an easy and legit way that can make you up to $500 in just 2 hours. And the best part about this is it's something you'll be able to do right from your phone. And this is something that is not extremely saturated. So yes, there is room for you and it can be done from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And make sure to click on the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page where you can get started and start making passive income online with affiliate marketing. So the first thing we are going to have to do in order to make this money is find small business owners or new startups. And these small business owners can be local or you can find them from anywhere in the world. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So you want to come over to this website called gemini.google.com, or if you prefer, you can use ChatGPT to do this. It is more than capable to do this step as well. But for me, I am going to take Gemini to do this step. So whichever one you use is absolutely fine. All you just need to do is to type in a simple prompt like this. Give me a list of local small business types, make it detailed. All right. So if you do this, it's going to show you various type of businesses that we can use to target people from specific locations. All right. So you can see we have retail type of businesses, which are clothing, bookshops as well. All right. So if you scroll down, we are also going to find service-based businesses like hair salon, barber shops, gyms, and all that. All right. So if you scroll down, the list is endless. So there are so many businesses we can target using this strategy. All you then need to do from here is to find a notebook and make a list of all these businesses. So once you've made this list, that takes us to the next step, which can be done in one or two ways. So the first way is by going over to Google Maps and you can select any location. Like I said, you can target location based on your country or you can do this worldwide. So for me, I am going to take Colorado in United States. So we are going to take plumbers as an example. It's going to show you a list of businesses under this location that are offering these plumbing services. All right. So what you want to do from here is to specifically look for businesses that don't have a website. You can see these businesses right here have a website. So all you need to do is to keep scrolling down. As you can see, this one does not have a website, even though it has reviews. All right. So you can see this is also another one here that does not have a website. And if you come over down to this one, if I take this as an example, you can see this one does not even have a phone number at all. So now the next step of finding businesses is by going over to Facebook. And all you simply need to do is to type in plumber like I did right here. And you want to also come down here and you can type in any location in the world. So I'm taking London as an example. You can see these businesses right here don't have a website. If I come over to this one as well, no website, this one as well. All right, you can see this one has a website, but you can open the website in a new tab. All right, so if I open this website, you can see this website is not even working. And the reason why most people prefer Facebook is because, as you can see, if I click on this business as an example, so if I scroll down here, you can see I can contact this business via their email address, or I can send them message directly to their WhatsApp, or I can send them a message on Facebook, which is going to pop up on their notification and they will get our message instantly. So this is why a lot of people prefer to use Facebook method as opposed to using Google Maps, because on Google Maps, all you are going to see is only phone number. So you want to make sure to take your time and go through the search results and make a list of at least 50 businesses that don't have a website set up yet. So once we've made our list, we are going to be reaching out to these businesses, offering them to build a website for them so that they can get seen by their dream customers. And also, before you click off the video and be like, you don't know how to create a website, don't worry, we are not going to be doing anything, as we are going to completely outsource this to professionals on Fiverr. And that takes us to the next step, where you want to come over to fiverraffiliate.com and you want to click on the sign up button. All you simply need to do is to enter your basic information and your account will be created right away. So once you create your account, you want to come over to fiverr.com and you want to click on web design, or you want to type in web design right here. Like I said, we are going to be outsourcing this work to professionals on Fiverr, so we don't have to do anything. So once you come over here, all you simply need to do is to click on Pro Services. This is going to show us sellers that are handpicked by Fiverr itself that have shown high level of expertise in this field. So as you can see, there are so many sellers right here that are offering to build website, and some are charging up to $600 to build a website. So I'm going to take this seller here as an example. All right, you can see what this seller is going to offer to our clients. All right, they are going to build a website with up to 3 sections, mobile, responsive, and SEO optimized. So the trick here is if you come over to your Fiverr account and you go over to commission plan. So once you click on that, this is going to show you how much Fiverr pays for each category of offers you promote on their platform. All right, since we are promoting a pro service, as you can see, pro plan right here, you are going to get paid $150 for everyone who you get to purchase this Fiverr gig. So as you can see, this seller is going to build a website for small business, as you can see right here, and they are going to charge $130 for the basic plan. And now for the businesses, like I said, you can either contact them via Facebook directly, or you can send them an email address. And don't worry, I am going to leave a script down below that you can use to send message to these businesses. Like I said, you are not going to be doing any of the work. All you simply need to do is to reach out to at least 50 businesses every single day. And like I said, you can find them from any location in the world. So while you are reaching out to these businesses, make sure to show them examples of work that they can expect to get if you build website for them. And you can simply do that by coming over to the Fiverr profile of that seller, and you are going to see past work that they've done, and you can simply just download these images and show them to your clients. You can also contact this Fiverr seller directly by clicking on this contact me button, and you can let them know that you like their work so much and you are willing to send them your clients so that they can build website for your clients. And that way you can ask them for their portfolio, and they will be more than happy to show you, because you already let them know that you are going to be referring your clients to them. So it's a win-win situation. So whenever you send a client to this seller, they already know the client is from you, and they are going to give them the best work as possible. You are going to be getting paid easy $150 for everyone who you send down their way. So you want to combine Google Maps and Facebook for this method. And if you come over to Google Maps, for businesses that don't have email address to contact them with, as you can see, like this one right here, all you simply need to do is to copy their name, and you can go over to Google and paste in their name right here and Facebook. If you do this, it's going to show you their profile on Facebook. So if I click on their profile right here, so if I scroll down, as you can see, this is the email address of this business, which means you can contact them now using this email address, or you can send them a WhatsApp message, or you can send them a direct Facebook message. So the more businesses you contact, the more sales you are going to make. So think of it, if you get only 10 people every single month, that is extra $1,500 every single month in your pocket without having to do any work. All you simply need to do is reaching out to these businesses and have someone do all the work for you. Finally, in order to make sure you get credited for every sale you make, you want to make sure to come over to that Fiverr gig, and you want to copy the Fiverr gig link. You want to go back to your Fiverr dashboard, and you want to go to marketing tools, and you want to click on default and deep links. So you want to click on deep link, and you want to paste in that Fiverr gig link, and you want to click on save. So once you do that, you want to make sure to go for this Fiverr old plan. All you need to do is to just copy this link, and you can use any URL shortener like tinyurl.com to shorten the link. So once you shorten the link, this is the link you want to send to your client to reach out to that Fiverr seller and get their website done. All right. If you do this, you will be credited for every sale you make.